I want to show you how to turn on the compressor. Alright. First one, you have to check the oil. This. You have to check this twice because this position is not same with the wave.
Yeah.
Wait and put it in. Second step, you have to check
Udah.
air fluid. Press it. Check the pressure of the air fluid. Next,
Ini turning.
you have to check the leaking of the pipe. Make sure there's no leaking in the pipe. Next one, you have to check the part in the machine is have no broken part. Putar apa?
Rotate.
Hah?
Rotate.
Oh yes, you have to rotating it 1350.
60.
Alright. You have make sure that the part of the machine is no broken. When you next step, you can
Langsung pencet.
you can turn on the machine, but quick. This function is you can remote is if this
Local control.
local control.
Yeah.
This is local control that you just only can turn on this machine in this location, and if you rotate it to switch it to right, you can turn on from the engine control room. Alright, you can start the air compressor. Your face is up into engine, not to this. Check the part of the machine and make sure that no broken part. Alright. Yeah. Now you can turn off the cooling water. That's it.
Okay.
Alright.
Perfect.
Thank you.